Yes, guys, big up on yourself, big up on yourself. Yeah, man, once more. Yeah, man, we're up on the journey. So, right now, I go give you a tour of a little community that less people talk about. Alright, so stick and stay, big up on yourself. So, yes, my people, good morning, good afternoon, good night, wherever you are. Right now, we are taking up on a journey to a little community that you don't hear a lot of people mention or talk about. Yes, man. So today my location is in Manchester. I am on the journey touring a place called St. Paul's, right? So a subscriber of mine reached out to me and tell me that you need a tour of the community because they haven't seen this community for a long while now. So hence the reason why I'm touring this community today. So subscriber, big up yourself. Viewers, big up on yourself. Alright guys, so I just left the crossroad from Evergreen, going up the hill now. Yeah man, I want to big up on yourself, man, wherever you now watch from, Yeah man, and I want to say that I really appreciate the viewers and subscribers on this channel. Continue to like, share, comment and subscribe. This journey here would not be successful without you guys, so I really appreciate you and your kind support and your comments. The road is not so good guys, so have to take my time. Fire Reed, big up yourself. Sir Mark, big up yourself. All the viewers who are watch, make sure you big up on yourself same way. Alright my people, so right now I am entering the Beverly area. And guys, I am going to stop and give you a view on the hill here. This community here guys overlook Evergreen, Comfort Hall and also Balaclava, Silo, and you name all of those places down that side. Right, the people over here on the left, you have the Beverly Seventh-day Adventist Church. Alright guys, while driving on this road, you have to be careful. You have to toot your horn around the corners here. It's a very small road. So guys, this road, it can lead you to a lot of places. It can take you to Freetown. It can take you all the way back to Mile Gully, and it can also take you back to St. Elizabeth, a place called Bogue. And it can also take you right back to Balaclava. Well, guys, what I would love to see, and I don't know if this will happen anytime soon. Oh, this left turn here take you right back to Freetown, guys. What I would love to see, guys, I would love to see all of these areas be developed. Yeah man, a lot of houses and all of those places and all of those things, you know, like some nice business place and, you know, those little things. Guys, the road is very small, so you have to take your little time. Guys, if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share, and if you're reached thus far watching this video, I am touring St. Paul's. This little left turn here, it can take you back to Freetown as well and Mile Gully. Guys, they have a nice house up there. They have the parish tank over here on the left. So I am nearing St. Paul's now. Well, I am actually in St. Paul's now, guys. They are doing a lot of building up here. So yes guys, some of the times you have to let the motorists who is behind pass. So guys, I am way up on a hill. It's called St. Paul's. Yes guys, I am in St. Paul's now. I'm in St. Paul Square. Okay guys, I am in St. Paul Square right now. So yes, my people, St. Paul Square is right here. Yeah man, I am coming from the left. This road here, it can take you to Mayfield. It can take you back to Mile Gully and all of those places. Big up yourself, my general. Yeah man, and this road here, it can take you back to Bogue, can take you back to Breeze River, all of those places. So guys, one of these days I'm gonna give you a tour straight to Mayfield. Alright? Yeah man, because I have some place there where I want to visit. So guys, right now, this is the road taking you right back to Mile Gully, to Balaclava rather. So right now I'm going to try and give you guys a overhead footage of this place. So you know, stick and stay and watch what I go on. Big up on yourself. Alright my people, guess what now? The drone is not picking up where I am at in St. Paul's because I have no reception here. But guys, in other words, this is a very nice community. Yeah man, quiet, calm, low crime rate, and you know, all of those things guys. They have a lot of little corner shops and you know, little business places here. They have school, you know, and you know, they are an adjoining community to Balaclava, Evergreen, Comfort Hall, you know, and Kensham and all of those places guys. So guess what happened now guys? Right now I am going to end this video. Yeah man, hope you guys enjoy this little tour because right now I have another tour to make. So big up on yourself wherever and watch from. One love, peace out.